After weeks of contentious healthcare town halls put the so-called public insurance option on the ropes, the liberal grassroots are fighting back.
What do we want? Healthcare! When do we want it? Now!
Proponents of a government-mediated health insurance plan lined the street across from the Capitol as President Obama held a rally at the nearby headquarters of the Democratic National Committee.
I think that right now, money needs to be driven right to the providers, and people need to have access. And I feel like the public option is what is going to allow people to compete. Insurance is going to make insurance companies more competitive.
Favored by the left is the only true way to ensure affordable coverage for all, progressives fear that the president's support for the public option may be waning.
Without the public option, it is not healthcare reform.
Well, we're going to stay on him. This is not what I elected him for, played political games with the Republicans.
Inside the DNC, Obama reaffirmed his support for the public option as one element of reform.
One of the options we want to provide them is a public option, and this has been a confusion around this. The public option is just one option. It will be voluntary.
But for many of the president's supporters, there's a simple solution to the problem. Get a health care bill without Republican support.
If we need to in the Senate, adopt this with 51 votes, 50 in the Senate with the vice president voting, and that's all we can get, and we get a decent health care system with a strong public option, that's what we need to do. And the president needs to stay on message.